Create fantastic slides in 3 simple steps. Copy, paste and edit slide. Let's try. How to copy a slide. Right-click on the thumbnail of the slide that you want to use. Click Copy. Go to a new PowerPoint or your presentation. Right-click over Slide panel, click on the brush symbol. This will paste the slides and keep the original theme. Edit text as desired. You also can edit color themes. Go to the Design menu, go to Variants, change colors. Now let's try to edit this parallax slides. Copy slide the same as previous. Right-click outside of slide area. Go to Format Background. Change the picture as desired. Let's try another slide. For this slide, we click this icon to change the picture. Watch more clear step-by-step tutorial in PowerPoint Pantas. In this templates pack, you will get 316 PowerPoint templates consists of total more than 14,000 slides. Fully organized folder into topics. Get a limited time offer price on our website.